How to know if someone read your message on LinkedIn. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the LinkedIn application on your phone. You will then be brought to the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you can view and explore posts from all your connections and pages that you follow on LinkedIn. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the messages icon. You can view all your messages on LinkedIn over here. Tap on any message to open it. As you can see, you have already sent a message to this person. If you see the tick icon beside the message, it means that the person has seen it. You can tell if someone has read your message by looking for a miniature profile picture of the recipient beside your message. Following these steps, you can easily know if someone read your message on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.